Hi kiddos, welcome back. So this is our Meal Lab number 3, and today's experiment is going to be all about testing what surface a mealworm can move the quickest on. So we are going to test 4 different surfaces. We are going to test just construction paper, a little bit of a thicker material. We are going to test a silky or sliding material. We're going to try a laminated piece of paper. So it's really smooth. You can see that's kind of shiny too. So we'll see how fast they move on that. We're going to also see how fast they move on cardboard, which is again a little thicker. This one seems a little bit rougher. And then finally, we're going to test how fast they move on sandpaper, which is extremely coarse and rough. Very grainy too. So what you need to do right now is you need to make a prediction. What piece of surface do you think the mealworm will move best on? The sandpaper, the cardboard, the laminated sheet of paper, or the construction paper? So go ahead and make your hypothesis now. All right, now that you've made your hypothesis, we're going to start the experiment. To conduct this experiment, what I need to do first is I need to measure out 15 centimeters, and I'm going to mark a start and finish line using some masking tape. So I'm going to angle you guys down so you can see what I'm doing, and I'm going to set our different surfaces aside. I got our little Mr. Mealworm again. He's hiding in that box for us. I'm going to grab up my measuring tape, and I'm going to measure out 15 centimeters. And I'm going to start by putting a piece of tape down first, right here. I'll mark that start. Okay. There you go. And then I'm going to go ahead and get another piece of tape ready to go for our finish. And then I'm going to go ahead and measure. I'm going to start it at the very, very top. And I'm going to go all the way down to the 15. And I'm again going to stop it at the 15. So they have to cross and finish all of the tape. Okay? And I'm going to make sure that this is 15 all the way across. See, I kind of put this on a little bit crooked. So I need to make sure it's a little bit more straight. Let's see if I can remeasure this out here. So right about there. And I'll just nicely pull that up and put that straight down. All right, and we have our finish. Okay, so we're going to test how long it takes our mealworm, and we're just going to use the same mealworm every time because we're trying to control the variables that we change. Right now, we are only changing the type of surface that it walks on. We're keeping the same mealworm, and we're keeping the same distance. We're just going to slide the different surfaces in for the mealworm. And we're going to try the mealworm 3 different trials for each type of surface. And then we're going to record our data. I will record my data along with you guys. I'm going to make a little chart here. So I'll do sandpaper first. And they're going to be trial 1, trial 2, trial 3. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and get my mealworm ready. I am going to grab some pencils here too to try to help keep the mealworm a little bit more on track throughout, or 2 markers, that'll work, just to make sure he stays on there. All right, and we need to time him, so I'm going to get my timer ready. All right, and when I'm ready to start him, I'm going to put him at the very, very edge of the sandpaper. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and hit start. And I'll put him on there and let him roam. I'm not going to let him walk backwards. That's not an option. Go forward, little guy. That's why we have the markers. Keep him going. He's going pretty fast. Go, 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 go. And stop. 27.54. All right, that's pretty good. So we'll just go ahead and we'll round and we will say 27.5. So for trial 1, we have 27.5 seconds. I will show you my recording here so you can see it. Sandpaper, trial 1, 27.5 seconds. All right, time for trial 2. Let's get him ready again. And again, we want to use our little markers to kind of keep him on track. I'm going to reset my timer. And I'm going to drop him in. Make sure he's over the start line first. And start. Gonna make sure he stays on the paper. We don't want our results to be incorrect. He's going fast again. He's good. He's almost there. He's almost there. And done. Wow, that one was a very, very fast record that he did there. That was very good, little guy. All right, we're gonna record 14.2 seconds. 14.2 seconds. Here's my data so you can see it. All right, last one, trial number 3 for the sandpaper. Put him on. Oops, I'm not ready yet. Reset. Okay, I'm gonna knock him backwards a little bit so that he has to actually start from the beginning. All right, and I'll put him on and start. Whoa, he flipped. Go. Stop. 8.4. It's 8.36, but we'll round it to 8.4. All right. For trial number 3, he's at 8.4 seconds. Wow, he was fast on the sandpaper. Pretty cool. All right, next one we're going to test, we'll switch this out, is our silky or smooth surface. So we will go ahead and move this over so I can still see my start and finish line. And I'm going to write laminated paper. All right, and I'm ready for trial number 1 with my laminated paper. Again, I'm going to give him kind of a little bit of a barrier here. I'm going to reset my time, and I'll grab him out. Sometimes they're so hard to get out. Come here, little guy. He's like, I'm done. I don't want to do it anymore. He's tired. All right, we'll put him in. I'm going to make sure that he goes all the way up to the start. And I start my time. He's fishing around trying to see if he can get out. No, go the other way. Move him around. There we go. All right. Let's see how long he takes on this one. He's going. He likes to be by the markers. Definitely moving slower on this one. Don't go backwards. Go this way. I'm not going to let him move backwards. I'm going to make him stay forward. Otherwise, we might be here for a while. See if he goes from there. It's just getting complicated. Can't hold all this stuff. No. Go the other way. Oh, man. He is not being very forgiving on this one. There you go. Go. There he starts to go a little bit more. All right, now he's cruising. Little bit longer. And he's done. That was way longer. That was 1.34. So we have it's 1 minute, which is 60 seconds. So we're going to have 60 plus 34. So you're going to have 94 seconds. I had to think about that for a second because you don't want to write minutes down. So we only want seconds. So we want 94 seconds for trial 1 on the laminated paper. All right, let's try it again. I'm going to reset my timer. And I'm gonna block him off here so he can only go one way. And we'll start him. I'm gonna try to push him to be forward. There we go. Whoa, sorry buddy, scaring him. Go, go, go. No, don't go backwards. There you go. Trying to stop him from going backwards. Go forwards. Oh, for the love. There we go. Go, forward. There we go. Go, go, go. Maybe I should move this down. Ah, there we go. Getting smarter. Whoa. Other way, man. Other way. The most we'll wait for them is 2 minutes because, you know, sometimes they just don't want to go. As much as we can direct them, we can't force them to go. So we'll wait 2 minutes, and if they still haven't made it across the finish line on any surface for 2 minutes, then we'll just record our 2 minutes. Trying to give him a little bit of a nudge, see if he'll go here. He just doesn't seem to want to move on this laminated paper as much. I wonder if that is consistent with what your predictions were. Try to move my hand here too so you can see a little better. All right, we have hit the 2 minute mark and he has not crossed. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna record 2 minutes. Now, each minute is 60 seconds. We have 2 minutes, that's 120 seconds. So we'll record 120 for time 2. 2 minutes is as long as we're willing to wait for the mealworm to cross.